Okay, so in this video, I wanted to talk about the Sony ZV-E1, and I wanted to show you whether or not this actually takes good pictures. So for the remainder of this video, what you're gonna see is just samples and samples of photos taken with the Sony ZV-E1. This camera is amazing, and when I got it, it was mostly for its video capabilities, but I actually discovered something very interesting. It actually takes really good photos as well. So this was a very pleasant surprise considering, the cost of this thing. It's quite expensive. And when I first heard about the 12 megapixels, I was like, paying that much money and not getting at least 24 megapixels. But I discovered something very odd. 12 megapixels is more than adequate, especially if you have really good image quality, especially if you have the low light performance of this thing. I mean, when I take photos with this thing at night, it looks good even then. Anyway, that's enough of me talking. Here you go. Here are some photos that I've taken with the Sony ZV-E1. Enjoy.